Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So today I am gonna answer your assumptions about me. I did put up an Instagram tag and you guys asked me questions there, so I'm gonna answer to all of your assumptions. If it's true or not true or partially true.
Let's go. Now everybody sing that shit. Yeah.
So the first assumption is that you are very picky in choosing friends. That is so true. I mean, literally, I cannot make friends easily, and the reason that I don't make friends easily is because I'm very choosy. I mean, I usually be friends with the people that I vibe with, or I mean, I do have friends who are like completely opposite to who I am, but because of their vibe and because they are like really nice people, that is why I'm friends with them. So, the next assumption is that you're very passionate about content creation. Yes, I am very passionate. Like, initially, my parents weren't very fine with what I was doing. They were quite against it. No, they weren't like against it, but they were like, are you sure it's gonna pay you enough and stuff? And I was like, no, even if it doesn't pay me enough, I want to do it because this is what have wanted. This is what I've like been meaning to do from a long time now, and I feel ki even if it doesn't pay me enough, I'm still gonna do it. Maybe I'm gonna do a side job or something, but I'm still gonna do this. So yes, I'm very passionate. You love to dance. See, if you mean like dancing in the club, yes, but recently I started doing these Instagram dance thingy, and my friends literally texted me that Tithi, you should stop dancing. Like, what the hell are you doing? And I'm to like all in my mood doing this and this. And like my friends are like, please Tithi, stop dancing. You cannot dance. But I'm like so good when I dance in the club. I don't know. So, no, I don't love to dance. I just love to dance in the clubs. So, yeah, it's partially true. Next, you love to sing. Um, is it just me, or when you sing in your washroom, when you sing in the shower, your voice is like really nice, and as soon as you get out of the shower, your voice is like shit. Is it just me? Like, tell me, is it just me? Because that happens with me. I sing in the shower and I'm like so Asha Ghosle at that point of time, and the moment I come out, I'm like that meme guy that old meme guy who sings. So that's just me. But sometimes I just, did I answer your question first? What was the question? मैंने पूरी story तो सुना दी है यहाँ पे, but what was the question? You love to sing only in the shower. Next question. You're super rich. Why? I mean, like literally, I've got questions. You're rich. And you're super rich. You're rich. Rich brat, spoiled rich girl. You are rich AF. And I'm like, see, to answer this question, no, I'm not rich. Yes, I am from a well to do family, but I wouldn't consider myself rich. Yeah, like things. I can afford things easily, but then I'm not like rich. So, you are a teacher's pet. Just to let you know, my teachers hate me. Like, be it school, be it my first college, be it my second college, my teachers legit hate me for no reason. So, but a fun fact is that when I was passing out, at that time there was this teacher who was like very annoyed with me because I used to trouble her all the time. And when I was passing out, she legit cried and she's like, अब मुझे परेशान कौन करेगा तिथि. And I'm like, मैं kya? And that was like so overwhelming, and I felt so good, like really. That day, though, I was like all emotional with her, and for the first time in my life, I did not trouble her, so she was like very happy for that. But no, I'm not a teacher's pet, and I mean, okay. Again, you're rich. You are a nerd. Why would you think that I am a nerd? Like, from what angle do I look like a nerd? I mean, no. I am that typical backbencher. Typical backbencher. Like in my school days, me and my friends, we were like, so there was this, right side ke end pe we used to sit. We used to bunk classes, have done literally breaking everything in the school, destroying like school property, from bunking classes to going to principal office to getting suspended, literally done all of that. So no, I am not a nerd. Like, why would people even think that? Okay, next assumption is that your parents are very chill. No, my parents are super strict. Like, my dad is super strict, and my mom is also strict, but comparatively she's a little less strict. But then both of my parents are very very strict, and I wish they were. Makeup is literally your LYF. Huh? What is LYF? A life. That is what the person meant to say. Yes. Not exactly my life. I like so many more things, but yes, it is a major part of my life. Yes. Yeah, you can consider it my life. You just shop from brands. No. I mean, it's more about that I am very picky with my clothes, but it's not like I just have to shop from brands. I can literally shop from streets as well, and I've done that in the past. Like, and I don't mind doing it again. So, if you've ever been to Bombay, you know Linking Road, okay? So I have literally shopped from Linking Road. I have shopped from Kolaba. I have shopped from Ghatkopar Market, and I've done that in the past, and abhi bhi मैं करूँगी. Like, if I find something good there, I will shop. So it's nothing like I'm gonna shop from brands or anything. You are married? Yes, I am married. I have 2 kids, very adorable and annoying kids. Why would you think I'm married? I'm literally just 20. I am 20 years. And I am not Kylie, so no, I'm not having kids at 20. You're a lesbian. No, I'm not lesbian. I am straight. And it's not that I have a problem in being a lesbian, it's just that I am not. And I completely support LGBTQ, so yeah, that's that. But no, I'm not lesbian. You would not mind compromising for others. Depends. It totally depends. If I lose myself just for compromising with others, if I lose myself in the process, then I think I would rethink it. But otherwise, yeah, I don't mind compromising to a level where it doesn't affect me. So if it affects me, I'm not gonna compromise. I mean, I know some people might find it selfish, but it's just that I'm just caring for myself, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Okay, the next assumption is that you do not like Bollywood movies. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't like Bollywood movies, it's just that I do not watch much of Bollywood movies. मतलब there are a few of my favorites जो कि मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ. विवाह, जब वी मेट, और याद नहीं आ रही movies, but then there are movies that I love from Bollywood. ऐसा नहीं कि I don't like Bollywood. I like Bollywood, but I'm not like a fan of it. So I have my own selected favorite movies, and I'm gonna watch those movies again and again. But yeah, like, Bollywood is nice. there are people who asked me questions like really spicy, juicy questions, like assumptions. And how do I tell? Now I'm publicly saying this that my parents and my family members watch me, so they are not that chill right now. So once they get to a level where they are chill about things, I am definitely gonna answer like all of your spicy juicy questions. But as of now, no, I'm not even looking at them. And then there are like really weirdo questions. मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है? मतलब पुट अप अ क्वेश्चन वाला टैग एंड किसी ने तुमसे अगर ये नहीं पूछा कि मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो Q&A ख़त्म ही नहीं होगा जब तक ये क्वेश्चन ना आ जाए. So that were all of your assumptions, and yeah, this was the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon and yeah, bye.